So the one impactful synergy that connects video games, mayonnaise, and food rescue as it connects to video games and togetherness is turnips. Just stick with me. I promise you I'm gonna get somewhere. So I told you, or I didn't tell you, in Animal Crossing, you can grow fruits, you can plant things, but the one thing you cannot grow or plant is turnips. In fact, the only way to obtain turnips in Animal Crossing is to purchase them using bells. And you use your bells to purchase turnips in bundles of 10 only on Sunday. And when I say Sunday, I'm talking about real world Sunday, because the time in the real world matches the time in the game. So once a week, Sally Mae comes onto your island and says, hey, would you like to buy some turnips? And you can choose, because the price fluctuates. And you have to be skillful, because depending on how much you buy these turnips for, you can sell these turnips on, and I'm not kidding, the stock market. I wish I was making this up, folks. Check it out. You see the spelling? You trade bells for turnips via the stock market. So once a day, you can go to this one shop where there are these two Nook brothers, and you can check the price of turnips before noon and after noon for a whole week. But here's a question for our audience. You have from Sunday to the next Sunday to sell your turnips for bells. And for those of you who have played this game, what happens to your turnips if you don't sell them by Sunday? They rot, they go bad. You're absolutely correct. And when a turnip goes bad in Animal Crossing, it is useless. You can't do anything with it. It's called food waste. And that, as I mentioned, is the impactful synergy. Hold on, just let me finish. Now, how many of you are familiar with a company called Hellmann's? What is Hellmann's mostly known for? Mayonnaise. Wow, that's a great audience. Y'all are the best. I can feel that warmth. Like when you say it, I'm like, oh, this is great. All right. I will have you know that in 2020, Nintendo partnered with Hellmann's in Animal Crossing so that you could send a direct message to Twitter Canada, and Hellmann's would send you a special code for you to visit an island, a secret island that Hellmann's made called Hellmann's Island. And what do you do there? You can purchase shirts that have Hellmann's icons on it, but most importantly, those spoiled turnips have a purpose, because on Hellmann's Island, you have 40 minutes to give away all of your spoiled turnips. And listen closely. For every spoiled turnip from the game you donate to Hellmann's Island, Hellmann's will donate a real meal to someone in the real world via Second Harvest Food Rescue. How many people, show of hands, knew about this? Knew about this unique and meaningful connection between Nintendo, Hellmann's Mayonnaise, and Second Harvest Food Rescue? These three. Whoa, 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 whoa. What's going on here? We're skipping ahead. Pretend you didn't see any of those things. We'll go back. All right. Woo! Whoa, 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 whoa. That's Bluetooth for you, folks. All right. So here's the question. Why? Why on earth did this magnificent collaboration happen? Why? Video games, mayonnaise, and food rescue. The answer is, this partnership happened in 2020. And I know what I was doing in 2020, but I also know what you were doing in 2020. You were at home, and according to Verizon, in 2019 and 2020, video game play went up 75%. But what percentage of that went to this game? Animal Crossing in 2020 sold 31.18 million copies. That's the impactful synergy. Do you see how Hellmann's and Nintendo have come together to try and benefit folks without access to food? That's an incredible impactful synergy that extends beyond the playing.